Hey kids, how are you? I hope your studies are going very well. So today we are going to learn about pronoun its. So its is a possessive adjective which is used in place of third person singular animals, plants and things. I know what you are thinking, that what is a possessive adjective? It's very simple. A possessive adjective tells us that something is owned by the third person singular animals, plants or things. Let's take one example. The cat is eating its food. So, in this sentence, pronoun its denotes that the food belongs to third person singular animal. So, why don't we see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun its clear? So, Rudy, let's take our first example of pronoun its. Where is its switch? So, in this example, its is a possessive adjective which tells us that the switch belongs to third person singular. Now read the second example.
Its leaves are green.
Correct. So again in this sentence, its tells us that the leaves belong to third person
Singular.
right. Read the third example.
Its key is missing.
Correct. So can you identify the possessive adjective in this sentence?
Its.
Why?
Because it shows that the key belongs to third person singular.
Correct. Now tell me one more example of pronoun its.
Its cap is open.
Absolutely right. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun its. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.